My video guide will help you to remove the browser pop-ups that are coming from the site yourdownloadnow.com. yourdownloadnow.com. This is the website that tries to trick visitors into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extension. The pop-up indicates that by installing the extension, you will be able to skip ads while watching certain video content. But in reality, these pop-ups try to force you into downloading the extension that may function as a typical adware. If you mistakenly download and install this particular extension into your Google Chrome browser, you may start receiving the great portion of advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right part of your computer screen. So if you see these pop-ups by yourdownloadnow.com, do not interact with them and do not install anything that they suggest. If any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, you should definitely get rid of them. So now I'm going to install the extension on purpose in order to let you know how to uninstall and remove it later on after it got installed. So simply access the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. Then if you find any third-party extensions here, disable and remove them. To make sure that your device is free of other threats which could possibly hidden, I would strongly advise that you additionally investigate your computer with our Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on this official website combocleaner.com. Download the program using this green download button, install the application, and then start researching your device with its help to detect and eliminate other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.